Since time I'm starting to make creative content, I'm trying all my best to promote Akuapem, your culture, your festivals, some tourist places in Akuapem here, and also even the Guan language in Akuapem, I'm trying all my best to promote it. You understand? So if Mitsihana Musa Bibi Koya, I think it's cool for me to talk about it, and I say it's cool for me to show some concern. You understand? But before we even start, let me give you some example here. So what's a DMB to say Kwawa, and then I didn't ever trim. Oh, Kwaw de sa oh, Kwaw de sa me po, Kwaw de sa parachute or Easter time. So what I say, what's a Santamaya? A day neighbor trim. Oh, so Asante de go to ho, Asante de or say to two, Asante de Kento, Asante de culture, and this animal ho. Even po, what's it? Homo Festival, or what did be a reference a Charlotte Festival. Every Sabrina, the Charlotte Festival is about art. Go exhibit art, true visual art, and Kasa, your draw near painting. So what I say, they also show history, the way I brought from the Bahamadi and Anam. They show it at the Charlotte Festival. So these people or these towns, and I said this region among Bodino, they have some tax on them. So now what's the Kwawa, Bibi Ringo or some, what's a Santimia, the Bibi Ringo or some, what's a Homowa, and I said what's in crime, Bibi Ringo or some. What's your Akuapem? Then I dream one as what's your Akuapem? Then I'm why didn't you so? You was adding maybe. So fast forward, let me go to the main reason why I'm here today. So about Akuapem, in Krobi, Omudi Ohuma Fashe, Ojura Fashe, and a Bayera Fashe. Nemum, a Fasha Mabosi, the Parodo Bain, now only Akuapem, wouldn't say a Fashe Equaso. But that's what I say. Sending out Akuapem, but wouldn't say Kumasa for wood or ya die Cassie. And for the one in a more voter region, or more greater Accra, or more central, or minimum say Akuapem, you do. Yes, send you friends who draw and answer by that fashion. Among dorsal. I said what I say. Why? Because you're selling your home to the world. Nemum say eba a man in your mamma dear, you do a fashion so there. Yen paying phone in your for phone, or you want from the all everything perfect on point. Nemum, I can bring a beton and one we are say. Ona yes Martin Akuapem I'm in my late 20s but yes I don't know yard the one say do ya fasha everything like it's kind of boring be with the traditional aspect in the American card that I will say what you do one a man and a mamma de yen penny phone near for day what you be a pepe no more I can bring a beton and one we say I have Akuapem by your crabeshe send the Easter unyanka who your friend saying who we go Eastern region nah Western region. So what I say, you do homo, on pro so beko and crying. Boko Jamestown, I'll go shiny ho. If in Bissau, you do whom, I know you jura, and I said the year by fashion. Oh, Sam, my body, no one pro so about him. See, no, because you're selling and we. But just when I'm a carmati, I say, so Akuapem, Kuroba Kwa, now fashe, I crabeshe, you creep my henny, or see a dear your question photo so be a sa. But just a say, Okopon Fashe. Edu Okopon Fasha, you will see that that they do. You see the investment. You get me? Edu Okopon Fasha to UTV will be advertising Okopon Fashe. More banners, the whole Akuapem, Utu se baby a banners boho, Okopon Fashe. Udu Pediasa Kevin Malco, a immensa banner boho, banner. I can't remember, is it last year or something? Yeah, last year, Oko Pantanina, Okopon Fashe banners war. Nami Bissau. Akuapem kron kan den na yeye guanfo ayewo Akuapem den na yeye latefo abirifo adukronfo abonsefo apredefo dawfu na okuguafo ene ebome ejise no so ne botoko na ese hu yete no so ne bo na ese so beto no mo se no so yiw ene botoko kwasi moto edu afasha do Canada amane amane ne de ye mpanifo no ye ne mo ye man ton ye ho edu afasha unse kron ma boring, there's nothing, you don't see anything special. Mr. Say do Okopon Fasha sponsors ne you will see sponsors into me start to feel at the junction. Etwemuko we friend saying almost with GCB Bank no Okopon sponsors and kwamo flags is so kwan ho. Is your brandy omo ho. Me je di kra say edu afasha no kra omo kwa mo mpre omo kopɛ sponsors no ankasa kra na eba. So what you because my brandy omo ho nti Akuapem kron kae no mo man yem boyen ho modin. Na afasha na yedi no enye kra behwe. There's something like Twitter, YouTube. We have YouTubers. You have Twitter influencers. You want to go Twitter. You want to go Twitter. App will be a friend Twitter. So event and I say once some crash new trend or 2 days to 3 days engagement will be na yagori. I say Mati say. Edu afasha. You want to go more Twitter more advert. ye betimi ama wonska omon Twitter but Akuapem odwura so what you say just imagine say Akuapem odwura e trend wo Twitter like 3 days continuous or something like that obi hu na pa okọ online Akuapem odwura okọ search about Akuapem be on that na mo trend wo Twitter na okọ na akọ search okọ YouTube na akọ search e ho no benya interest the following year ya say ama wonska omasa tweet a trend easy yes 2 years 3 years 4 years who say you like nkofo beba kakran na nkofo ba na nkofo na etu on kana o mbra o take videos o take pictures na o selling into the world you on YouTube ho with the Maya ho the whole Africa and I say the whole Ghana or subscribers almost 1.5 million or something you understand me make me akakra say or in package sekura or ye biblika sekura say some TV stations and some radio stations here in Ghana you get me because no post here dey on the page and Ghana pen show Nigeria share South Africa share but for share baby obi a share bi but just what you say e bi ono obetimi de nipa aba ha abetwa yan fashion bi na emu na adwen bass e minjin post onum say ye afashe bi wa Akuapem but just what you say na emu on baaye no ye mpanyifu yi bi betimi ehu no oh esema say wa fashe bi o ye di wa ha bra obeje ska you mo ampanifu ma na mbu ba bi say openi ya obre nti na etua ne ka wa aba wa beteki video amama ne amana na e de akere no ye videos na kwachiri fa na okwa mu na manfo hwe na manfo comment na engagement ne mo ne follow year sa mo muska na masamba na mo ye na ade ne koso I remember last year Adukro festival no me pa de bi ye friend Alex ye kwa Twitter say you say scanty explore post bibi or Twitter na so wa Twitter pe then we go under the comment section na type bro your festival bi wa Akuapem say na de Adukro flyer na account we are just waiting for him to like on reply your comments no ka bibi ne anka pese e twene ba yes an na am go straight to the DM testing say odwa bi koso wa Akuapem say ntia ba we be take coverage say me testing sa manya feedback bi anopa bia me copy the same message ma paste me yes amfa na odwa no over you see we were trying to bring these people here because say say scanty ba hanum say be take coverage of the odwa na opposite to go viral. You understand? People will get some way to search about Akuapem and come here next time. That's what we are trying to do. Yeah, Pennyfunti Mr. Mojra committee or home committee. Near Fasha Kakahono. Yeah, fat youth, no, and company for no. Now, they know like any refreshing be like suggestion, different ideas. But some I say, Sabi men can't send penny for no new answer there be no more generation way assassin. Yeah, youth no near my new online or yes, I be pennyfunti. Is the idea can hold the youth in the committee in one. All the ideas by being a pennyphone or common say that, and as a margin course that. It's a Mr. Mo, may be found. And one town eba fasha at least almost just on who yard vest cancel your Dukrum Akuapem. Almost me Bobanes, fear Dukrum, villages, no, a sanko pediasic Kevin, almost Bobanes do who Nara. So what I say, so Dukrum Akuapem too is trying. So the other towns on my be. Make the way edu do Akuapem near Ukugwa Akuapem fasha bro a blue count Mr. Amana na mama na de way ade wo an fofo no way bibia perfect na mo se na do Ukugwa a blue ombeton won ho amawias na adverse no you don't see anything do betimi aya fasha utwa ufa kronum kran hu se bibi kra kwaso wo as like normal day like normal thing a blue lomi guy no bo am ye videos no lomi of your last year we have challenge me enko ebire enko take content bi e o se challenge hwe enko so ho ase ye hwe kra ho so what you say edu okugwa biru de bibia ni kuro nim boring be nothing like so if you can imagine say wada for go different town and I say different region of person oba wa fasha what the background ferry over ferry because I don't know how to say it in man the na kwemu with our friends how to sell ourselves to the people you see we are not doing this. So try to sell ourselves to the people not sponsors and you will benefit. I also benefit. You didn't do it. So what I just imagine say who come fashion do so now who be brave like you feel some kind of proud way be but also what I say the penifo mesramu mo for manu to fam mo fa yen fa yen to yiye mo man ye bibi na Akuapem so yen some tag bi ye bo Akuapem say you Akuapem adi na ewo na e ba Akuapem there's nothing way will come your money inside oh. Ye bo Akuapem bibi an ring se na ye bo kwawu a utimi ring bibi ye bo our friends say asante mema bibi tim ba otirim no Akuapem ye bo kraden an e ba otirim bibi an ba otirim because ye shed and sell ye ho to the world ye pacho samati ase mo man ye bibi panyifo mo man ye bibi guanfo bi ene eno so ne botoko ni hu se yeye ene bunde bibu Akuapem buto pacho samati ase enkofo do do ahipo ne omunim se Ojura fashe ye jifi asante phone sem around 1826 next year no ojura do 200 years Akuapem ma wo fodo do ben po no nim mi po se ye content ami ye ya anka minim se guanfo kro no o ma fashe ankasa ye ohun na minim me ye true content we na me ebusepa ni cheke kakra na mehu sa ni ma we nyina enkofo bebre nim enkofo bebre kwa nim se ojura na ye Akuapem fa afashe ankasa wo jifi asante phone sem true war 1826 saadi am kan mo video o me channel ni pasho o kom channel ma bo sa ba kwasemi ojua ye Akuapem afashe ne mo ye gifi asante funsem 1826 next year 2026 no ojura edi 200 years Akuapem. How many people are on Akuapem po nenim omo nim nkofo do ahe impo eno munum say Akuapem is made up of we accounts and aguans we don't know, they don't know. So what you say nkofo do ahe impo no munum say obi ebi ni media chinye say ufi Akuapem e wo say uka Akuapem chi by force. They don't know say kan na Akuapem na egui akanfo ni na eguanfo pe na yete ya. They don't know. And akwamufu ba na achemfo sambae. People don't know their history po e Akuapem. So mpenifo mesramo man fa yani tu fam. Man ye bibi mesramo ara. Nkofo do ahe impo nanim say wo Akuapem a enye compose say ana say enye say wo Akuapem a say by force we say wo uka Akuapem chi. Guanfo ye wo ha Akuapem chi is not our language. Guanfo no ye de ne ye okrekere pon anase latte ipanifu hia wo guanfo asase so a adukom de wo prade say ya omo nka Akuapem twi wo mo kokre wo badukom anfi a ye nka twi wo anfi anase panifu hia ye nka twi ye ka okre anakere pon fi se no na ye kasa. So Akuapem is about time we have to stand up, sell ourselves to the world, let the people know what we have. But just say se o do ojua fashe anase huma fasha ye besumi de niam ni bia keka ho niam ni bia hyehyem ama ade na yakono bato sa wati ase u bedu kom se ya guanfo na ye de ni ohum ansa na ye ohum a week before the ojua sa wati ase eto de itimi ojua na say Wednesday Thursday like do aman na amamre ho na so like most na konu my boring sa ni ma no ye betimi de niam akeka ho ye betimi de niam hyehyem sebe men ka sa yen kofo obi amane anase obi tradition meka ho dabi ye ojua ye football gara ono na ya mana na mamre ye bi ye cookie competition ono ka ho enka ho etimi ko float ono ya mane dabi anya mane side attraction keke nti e betimi side attraction aka wo ma yemfa nyema eye more attractive enka ho ma ade no ye soronko ye de nti empo invite obi say ombra wa fasha unu say you oba chale there something there abi you feel me. Mo boys be brebi Kumasi ebifi Koforidua Accra am hoze wo hono mu emom edu Akuapem fasha they all come back home on be Akuapem festival am asan go back to their places to hustle but edu won de edukrom de okuku ade na yekeka ho a they will not come back. You ask them why. Oh chale ebe dey ene ebo me am festival te hwe be temo you see it's not them because yen ya ade na mane ya akono ye pastor what you say yen ya ade na mane ya akono ye ipenifo wiase ne konanim new generation ba pastor matemase nti ebedu ba bi kra like sa tradition we no entwam ba ebetimi atwam kakra so we muna muka asem bi se emene sesa na ma san bi se emene dane na wada no hu bi no right now technology na ba wiase nti sa technology ne ma we na ebetimi aya ma yen afa hye tradition no eduachi ebetimi ama yen tradition yi eduachi kra ama ye kra behwe. But that's what I say. Videos are me kakra yi do me subscribers and followers na enhye dan bebre mu na mo mitimi video abakwa me ye we adukrom am kire say awo Akuapem say me beton sase wa me business wa anum say a group of nkofo bebre test me they want to buy like ebi kra buy ama me ni obi wasase wo nifa senior school adukrom ya kwahwe sase no you see just because of my content etimi the amount for bahasa or pesase to we sit down wa hanum say how much more we invest in our festivals on radio station, on we influencers, on YouTubers, content creators. Just imagine. Pastor Samatiase, I'm a 14 besam a bit frame if you kata. Some person be Akuapem no omo ba Ghana be Akuapem we business we Akuapem. Akwamada no be frame if you kaswa. So person we say na be frame. Woman be frame if Germany. Eche me say na me ye no papa say into over. We Akuapem ba be sit down hostels in kasa ye kasa bebre. Pastor Samatiase, me followers endorse no we endorse no. Just imagine man ye bibi. Na Akuapem a yenya some tag bi ade se mate ase yenya pa Akuapem nkoso nti na me yes ade we ni am ye obi ama mo 1 cedi 50 pesos go be ama 10 pesos go be ama bi ye. You see my content is not based on Akuapem here. My aim is to create content to educate, inspire and also to entertain you and met me different places acquire videos I mean Akuapem krandi You understand? But hana me fi. We so be bodam a obodam fifie. Enti me ade wo fie na fiefo eje me so ana say fiefo jimi tuma infa na mentimi nko. But say mate ase. Enti na me yade wi. E wo say obeka obi asema wo say wo kan wo de first. Enti me ka fie de, ye sese fie de wi ana makwa abonten. Ti pelifo mesra mu, mama ye bibi. Na egbo Akuapem a wo say bibi rengo wo sum. But say na me ka na mate ase. E kire bi ene, isa ne botoko. Latte. Abriu. Dawu akugwa adukrom. Abonse asese so. Aprede. Ene ne botoko. Ene ne botoko na Akuapem so. Akuapem de ene le o. Guana se Akuapem de ene le. Akuapem de mi amo le. Ene na ben discover to. No ene mo motokwase a ana ne bobo na ene. Woyi wawi no wawu na bofia. Wo jane afo be wawu na ayo ye. Ofungu wawi na no bofunge ya. Da bi isa ofungu wawi. Da bra ko isa obo wawi fine. Obo wawi neat. Me afọ mba aka asemasi abumoyo asemasi adinit na mo bo basa ana be sese no no me kore na enum de me pene chew ene ne botoko Akuapem de ene le asase mo pe de ene le ene ne botoko ni to bo kra be hwe na yesem beto ne ni investors beto me bo video kra about say like business opportunities in Akuapem mi ke bebre I'm trying all my best to promote Akuapem muto ne. Reso takwe be no wokwase a mu se me bo akwanya se me so makan etebe no wokwase a enti penifo ha na me besi pacho makase ti a ho fa che me bibi kire wa adwen so a betina ko comment section na wa type like na share content no na ndu achi me na ne pen gbe